What's happening, guys? Welcome to another episode with me, the Bassanator. Today I'm just going to do a quick unboxing of the STB April month unboxing. I've already opened it as I couldn't wait to see what was inside. But yeah, good box this month. So yeah, let's start. First off is the STB sticker, which we'll get in every box, and then we get what's in the box. It tells you everything that comes in the box and the pricing and all that. And what's nice to see is Timols Fishing Tackle, which is a sponsor of mine, has joined the STB clan, so they will be getting baits from their shops. Pretty cool. So guys, also, there's a little thing going on here. If you post, share, like and comment, post a picture on the Facebook and Instagram page, like, tag a fellow angler and share the STB page to stand a chance in winning a secret tackle box valued at 600 Rand. So that's pretty cool. So make sure to do that and stand a chance to win one of these awesome packages. And if you don't win, all you do, get yourself a box of these for every month and use the Bassanator and get 20 Rand off your first box that you will get. Give it a try, guys. Okay, let's start. First off, little gummy stops, bobber stops. Like using these when I'm doing Carolining or Mojo rigged, where you can keep your sinker where the distance you want. So very cool. I use often a lot of these, especially the black ones. Next one is the Gamakatsu, the off shank worming hook. I use this often, especially for my big flukes and all that. Most of the ones I use is a 4 or 3, but the 5s is good with your bigger baits. Another cool one is from BWG, the Tungsten Carolina Whites. Very similar to the ones I got on my previous videos, just different designs. I haven't used these personally, but I think will be quite a good bait to use as Carolina rig and all that. And then one of my favorites, when I was sponsored by Savage Gear, I used to love fishing this, the bat, the 3D bat. Now this is the 1/4 ounce 3-inch bat. You get the bigger ones as well, but this is the perfect size, small, and it's got such a nice action on the water. If you go and look at some of my other videos to do with 3D bat, you will see how cool this bait is. The other one is the Venom Buzztail Shad. I haven't used this before. I've had lots of friends using them and swearing by them, so I'll definitely be giving it a go. And this is what it looks. It's a big bait, so big baits catch big fish.
No shit, Sherlock.
I would think you would fish this Texas rigged. But like I said, I haven't used it, so I'll look it up a little bit before trying to fish it and give it a go. Okay, last but not least, this is interesting. I haven't seen this before. It's called a stutter step. It comes with mustard hooks, and it's a rat trap. So it's a top water bait, and it's got a funny shape to it, and it's got lots of little rattles. Yeah, it's going to be an interesting bait to use. From what I read on here, it's designed with a unique walk in place called this stutter step twitch or walk and it kicks up a tail splash that the bass can't resist. Tempting. Great top water bait for hungry autumn bass. So yeah, that's quite an interesting bait to play around with. It's got a very funny shape. As you can see, it's got a little bit of a curve to it, and it's got like an arched back with almost like a paddle tail with a rattly noise. So I think this could be an interesting topwater. Definitely keen to try it. For all the guys who want to get their first box of the STB, it will be worth getting it. A lot of fun. As you can see, the baits that come. You'll get 20 Rand off on your first box if you use the Bassanator as a code. And yeah, other than that, if you are enjoying all my videos, give me a couple of comments on my videos. Let me know what you think, and give me a thumbs up. Sweet. Hope you guys enjoyed my unboxing, and I'll catch you on the next video, which will be soon. Peace.
I wanna know, am I losing my